Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Jurassic Lunch Box is probably one of the most exciting and practical ways to bring your meals on the go, especially for young dinosaur enthusiasts who dream of prehistoric adventures, offering a fun and durable solution that sparks imagination with every bite and makes lunchtime an event to roar about. Number 5. OPUX Premium Insulated Lunch Box Dinosaur. Introducing our premium insulated lunchbox, designed for kids and adults alike. It's the perfect way to carry your meals and snacks wherever you go, from school to the office or even on a picnic. Our lunch bag features superior insulation to keep your food hot or cold for hours. The leak-proof design and BPA-free lining ensure your meals stay at the perfect temperature and are safe to consume. This compact lunchbox is designed for convenience. It easily fits into backpacks or work bags, and features a top handle buckle for easy carrying. Plus, it has side and front pockets for your water bottle and utensils. With its vibrant dinosaur design, this lunch bag is a hit with kids. It's not just fun, but also practical for school lunches and makes a great gift for birthdays or holidays. Safety is our priority. This lunchbox has been tested for safety and is made with durable materials. The inside lining is easy to wipe clean, making maintenance a breeze. Whether you're packing lunch for work, school, or a day out, this lunch pail is the ideal choice. Its versatile design and ample space make it suitable for everyone. What we like. This lunchbox is perfect for keeping food at the right temperature for hours. It also features convenient pockets for drinks and supplies. If you are looking for a practical and fun lunch bag for school or work, especially if you love dinosaurs, this is a great choice. What people say. It's compact yet spacious enough to hold my meal. The material feels durable, keeps my food temperature, and it's easy to clean. It has a double zipper which gives me peace of mind that my son's food is protected and will not fall apart. The inside is lined well, and it also has an interior mesh area where you can put utensils like spoons, straws, forks or paper napkins. These are durable, well-priced, fit a nice-sized compartment lunchbox organizer plus some. Enough room for ice packs and a small water bottle as well, no recollection of gathering food in the seams or wearing down around the corners. Tough, lightweight, easy to clean, and keeps things cool until lunchtime. Number 4. Fenrici Dinosaur Lunchbox Blue. Tired of bulky lunchboxes that break easily? Our soft-shell lunchbox is designed to fit all your food containers perfectly, no matter the size or shape. This lunchbox is built tough with durable polyester, perfect for packing a whole meal for your growing child. There's plenty of room for everything they need. Keep things organized with multiple pockets. An exterior pocket is great for napkins, while an interior mesh pocket holds snacks or an ice pack. We prioritize your child's health. The interior lining is made from food-safe, non-toxic materials, free from BPA, PVC, phthalates, and lead. When you choose this lunchbox, you're also making a difference. A portion of every purchase supports families and non-profit organizations in need. What we like. Unlike bulky hard-shell options, this soft-shell lunchbox offers flexibility for various container sizes. It's spacious enough for a full meal and made with safe, eco-friendly materials. If you need a durable, kid-friendly lunch bag with plenty of room for food and drinks, this is an excellent option. What people say. This offers some good features like an external pocket and an internal mesh one. It is a really good size and keeps the food cold. It has lasted over 1-2 the year so far without any issues. The colors are vibrant and haven't faded at all. The bag is roomy with plenty of space for a sandwich, chips, fruit cup, and juice box. There's an inside and outside pocket perfect for a napkin and/or utensils. Super easy to clean. It's durable, cute, the perfect size for my 8-year-old's meals and snacks, and it keeps her food cool all day. It's also very easy to clean. Number 3. Ammonite Dinosaur 3D LED Water Bottle. Introducing the Ammonite Dinosaur Water Bottle, a fun and exciting way for kids to stay hydrated. This 14-ounce bottle features a captivating 3D glowing LED light that makes drinking water an adventure. With its unique 3D illusion effect, this bottle truly stands out. Watch as the cool lights activate with every sip, bringing their favorite themes like dinosaurs to life. Crafted from Eastman Tritan material, it's BPA-free and built to last. The easy open, spring-loaded button and silicone gasket ensure it's both convenient and leak-proof for active kids. Powered by a removable LED base, it offers 7 vibrant glowing colors and a gradual flashing mode for added fun. Plus, the lights automatically shut off after 30 minutes, saving energy and ensuring safety. More than just a water bottle, it's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. Surprise your child with a gift that brings joy and excitement. Your purchase includes 1 Dinosaur water bottle, a removable LED base, and a user manual. We also provide friendly customer service to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This water bottle stands out with its cool 3D illusion light that activates with every sip. Made from safe, durable Tritan material, it's also leak-proof for worry-free carrying. If you want a fun and unique way to encourage hydration for kids, especially those who love dinosaurs and cool gadgets, this is a fantastic gift. What people say. Love the multiple colors. The cup itself is really nice and the kids love it. However, you need a bodybuilder to close it enough where it won't leak. Love this product. Excellent quality and lights up really brightly with vibrant colors. Number 2. Jurassic World 11 Mini Backpack. Calling all Jurassic World fans. Carry your essentials in style with this awesome backpack featuring a cool raptor blue theme. This backpack offers a spacious main compartment, perfect for keeping your binders, books, and folders neatly organized. Designed for comfort, it features adjustable padded shoulder straps for a perfect fit. It measures 8 by 3.5 by 11 inches. Crafted from high-quality polyester, it's both easy to clean and incredibly durable for everyday use. Show your love for Jurassic World with this officially licensed backpack. It's the perfect accessory for any fan. What we like. This backpack is perfect for young Jurassic World fans who want to carry their essentials in style. It features a spacious main compartment and comfortable, adjustable straps. If you're looking for a fun and functional backpack for school or day trips with a cool dinosaur theme, this is a great pick. What people say. Comfortable, durable, and good amount of storage. Great quality and perfect for my toddler to tote around his belongings on the go. It's small enough for him to comfortably carry on his back while being big enough to carry pull-ups, a pack of wipes, and even some toys. He was able to use it on a trip to store some toys and his water bottle. Number 1. Factory Entertainment Jurassic Park Tin Tote. Introducing the Jurassic Park Tin Tote, a retro-styled lunchbox that's both functional and fashionable. It's constructed from sturdy metal, ensuring durability for everyday use. This lunchbox features a beautifully detailed and very trendy design, bringing a touch of nostalgia to your day. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates classic aesthetics. Crafted from sturdy metal, this tin tote is built to withstand the test of time. Its robust construction makes it a reliable companion for your meals and snacks. Ideal for fans, collectors, and adults alike, this item is a must-have. Show off your love for Jurassic Park with this unique and stylish accessory. Don't miss out on this highly collectible piece. It's more than just a lunchbox, it's a statement for any enthusiast's collection. What we like. This lunch tote offers a classic, retro look with its sturdy metal construction. It's beautifully detailed and makes a great statement piece. If you are a fan of Jurassic Park, a collector, or simply appreciate unique, trendy accessories, this tin tote is a must-have item. What people say. It's a good lunchbox for kids to use for school. It has held up throughout the year so far with no issues, and that's constant in and out of backpacks, the fridge, on and off tables. This lunchbox is very sturdy. It's easy to clean. My son loves the design. It's big enough for everything a kid needs for lunch. This keeps my 5-year-old sandwich and snacks from getting smashed in his backpack and is easy for him to open and shut. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.